Ostrich means shahamur.
Ostrich means shahamur.
Cock means kombda.
Cock means kombda.
Owl means ghubad.
Owl means ghubad.
Crow means kavda.
Crow means kavda.
Pigeon means kabutar.
Pigeon means kabutar.
Dove means badak.
Dove means badak.
Peacock means more.
Peacock means more.
Hen means kombdi.
Hen means kombdi.
Parrot means popat.
Parrot means popat.
Duck means badak.
Duck means badak.
Sparrow means chimney.
Sparrow means chimney.
Bat means vatvagud.
Bat means vatvagud.
Peahen means landor.
Peahen means landor.
Eagle means garud.
Eagle means garud.
Nightingales means bulbul.
Nightingales means bulbul.
Stork means bagda.
Stork means bagda.
Squirrel means sutar pakshi.
Squirrel means sutar pakshi.
Cuckoo means kokida.
Cuckoo means kokida.
Partridge means chittar.
Partridge means chittar.
Raven means kadya.
Raven means kadya.
Swan means hansa.
Swan means hansa.
Lark means chandol.
Lark means chandol.
Woodpecker means sutar pakshi.
Woodpecker means sutar pakshi.
Vulture means gidad.
Vulture means gidad.
Crane means bagda.
Crane means bagda.
Hawk means sasana.
Hawk means sasana.
Kite means ghar.
Kite means ghar.
Swallow means pakudi.
Swallow means pakudi.
तुम्हाला व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर प्लीज व्हिडिओला लाईक करा, चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब